we have multiplication of polynomials. To multiply these two polynomials, we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So let me write this. We have first t cubed. We have to multiply by all expression in the second parenthesis. So we have t squared plus 6t plus 3. Next we have negative 3t squared, and we have to multiply by the whole expression in the second parenthesis. Next we have positive 6t. We have to multiply by t squared plus 6t plus 3. And the last is negative 8 times t squared plus 6t plus 3. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means we have to multiply every expression in the parentheses by whatever we have before parentheses. So we have first monomial t cubed. So we have t cubed times t squared. Next we have positive. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So positive times positive will give me positive. And now we have t cubed times 6t. Next we have t cubed times 3. And now we have negative sign, and in parentheses we have positive, so we will change this positive sign to negative, so it will be negative 3t squared first times t squared, negative 3t squared times 6t, negative 3t squared times 3, and next we have positive sign, so now will be positive 6t times t squared, positive 6t times 6t, positive 6t times 3, and now we have negative, so we will change the sign to opposite, so it will be negative 8 times t squared, negative 8 times 6t, negative 8 times 3. So this is equal. Now we have to do multiplications. T times t, the same base, so we copy the base and we add exponents. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now next, first we will write the number. We have 6, t and t, invisible 1. So we copy the base and we add exponents. 3 plus 1 is 4. We will write the number first. T cubed we will copy, minus we have 3. T squared times t squared. Copy the base, add exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 3 times 6 is 18. Copy the base and add exponent, invisible 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Again, 3 times 3, 9. And we copy t squared. And the last row we have plus 6t times t squared. So this is t cubed, invisible 1. We have here 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus we have 6 times 6 is 36. T times t is t squared. 6 times 3 is 18. T we have to copy. And next we have negative 8t squared. Negative 8 times 6 is 48t. And negative 8 times 3 is 24. Now we have to check if we have like terms. We have 6t squared and 3t squared negative. So let me start from the beginning. T to 5th power we have to copy. And now positive term and negative like terms. So we keep the sign of the greater number, so 6 is positive. 6 minus 3 is 3, and we copy the term t to 4th power. Next we have t cubed, and we have negative 18t cubed, positive 6t cubed. So we have to combine these three like terms. We have 3 and 6 first, give me 9t cubed, and now we have negative 18. Negative 18 and positive 9. So we have to keep the sign of a greater number. 18 is greater than 9, so it will be negative. 18 minus 9 give me 9t cubed. We have to rewrite. And next we have t square, negative 9t square, positive 36 square, t square, and negative 8t square. So 36 minus 9, this is 27, and 27 minus 8 is 19. So we have positive 19t square, and next we have 18 t and negative 48t. So this will be, we keep the sign, greater number is negative, so it will be negative. 48 minus 18 is 30. And we have negative 24. This is my solution.